In this video I want to share how to use 12-volt relay and a 5-volt relay with Arduino. So I have two different voltage of the relay board here, and one is a 5-volt and the other one is a 12-volt, and I'm going to use with Arduino. So first of all, we have to keep in mind that Arduino we only work in a 5-volt. So the input can be 5-volt from the USB, and the input can be between 5 to 12 volt via the DC jack here, but all the output from digital I/O pins and the VCC here, we produce only the 5 volt. So how to use with the 12 volt relay and of course the 5 volt relay is very simple. We can give the power from the Arduino directly. So 5 volt is very simple. We can give the 5 volt from Arduino VCC and we can power up this 5 volt relay board. But the 12 volt, we must have a separate power supply to power up this relay. So first, the relay, we have to check the relay in the VCC. So the VCC means we input the 5 volt. So the VCC is 5 volt input because the relay is a 5 volt, so this will work well with the Arduino directly. The VCC we connect to 5 volt Arduino, and ground we connect to ground of Arduino. In is for the input to give the signal high and low, so I'm going to use digital pin number 8. So the moment you power the Arduino, then the relay will be powered up. So this LED is indicate that the relay board is already on, but the relay is not turned on yet. So let me upload the code first. So we can see that the relay is already turned on. My goal is a 5 second the relay will be turned on, and 5 second we off. On, off for 5 seconds each. So we can see that the relay is on 5 seconds, off 5 seconds. So this is very simple to control 5 volt relay from Arduino. We don't have any extra power supply. So the output is we can use both AC and DC. It does not matter, alright? So if we replace this connection to the 12 volt, right? So this is 12 volt. We have to keep in mind this is 12 volt. So the coil voltage of this relay is 12 volt, and the VCC here, the ground and in. So everything's the same, but the coil voltage is different. So let's just replace the pin from the 5 volt relay board. So VCC will goes to the VCC here, and the ground we goes to the ground here, and the signal we goes to in. So I already take a ground to connect to the Arduino, but the relay is keep on, it's not work. This 12 volt relay is not cannot compare with Arduino, even though we already give a ground to the ground, VCC to VCC, and this ground to Arduino. That the signal is coming into the in, and this thing is not compatible with Arduino. So we cannot use this module with Arduino without transistor. So we must have extra transistor. Alright, so what we can do is we have another types of a 12 volt relay. This relay as well the 12 volt, but this relay have active low and active high. So if you check the jumper on the side here, you will see that there is high level and a low level. So this single one is low level. So I already replaced the 12 volt relay which have high and low, and this model is not compatible with Arduino. So let me turn on the power supply. Alright, so the wiring connection is everything's the same. VCC positive we connect to the positive here, and the ground we connect to the negative here, and then from the ground we connect to Arduino ground. So we can see that the relay is work on off. So the difference between this relay 12 volt and this relay 12 volt and this type is for active high and low, and this is active low. So we must have a transistor to level shifter, then only will work. Otherwise you cannot use directly from Arduino.